So today we're gonna answer the age-old question: what's better, frozen or cars? Ah, it comes with casting practice. Push the button, hold the button, let go. It's like a bait caster kind of.
How about you back off?
I don't know what you're so confused about.
Alright, so no. What kind of line does this come with?
I think about 4-pound sewing thread.
4-pound like caterpillar silk. Knock up!
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna string these up with the 30-pound test.
Just so we
throw.
have a fighting chance at any catfish
If
ever.
anything else, we can just hand over hand it in, because still not 100% sure if this is gonna work or not. You can just push the button.
You do your thing. I'll do mine.
No!
Come on.
What is going on? Yeah, you can never go wrong with frozen. Do you want to go catfishing?
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. A couple more cranks and the old frozen rod's gonna get it.
You want to cut that for me?
Oh yeah, baby. Frozen. All right, so that didn't take too long.
Only about 45 minutes.
We finally got our new poles rigged up. We got 30-pound test braid, just a simple catfish circle hook, 2-ounce no roll, and a bag of worms. Let's go see if we can catch ourselves a catfish.
The Bag of Worms is also the name of my first punk rock album.
The windows rolled up. I can see it though. Oh.
How's it feel?
God.
Oh no!
No, I got it. All right, so we got the frozen rod hooked up. It's feeling as though it's not bad.
It's definitely not small. If it's small and this is what a small one feels like, we're in for a long time. Oh, big cat.
Oh, good lord.
Big cat.
He's definitely respectful.
Oh, dude.
Yeah. Slide him right in there.
Oh.
And that circle hook, as you can see that, did its job perfectly right in the corner of the mouth. Oh, poor guy.
Sweet release.
And let me show you the rig. What does that say right there? Ah, that says frozen's up 1-0. Big.
Trying to play him, don't want to horse him too much, but also I have to be conscious that I have like 40 yards of line on here. So I can't let him run too far. It's a nice combination of not letting him go and also letting him go all he wants.
Oh, cool fish. Woohoo!
That might be bigger than yours.
I think so.
How's it feel to be beaten by Lightning McQueen just like everyone else on the racetrack? Beautiful fish.
Look-see at him, nice.
Ow! 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 Let go of my thumb. Nice fresh. I believe that's 1-1.
Yeah!
Oh yeah. No, Oh, that's a little bit heavier.
That's a good one.
That's a little better.
That was literally on the last 20 seconds of us staying here. Woo! Listen to that drag. That's why you pay good money.
That's why you pay big money for quality gear.
Quality gear, because that's what you get.
This lightning slick drag is almost as fast as Lightning McQueen. Does that mean your drag's gonna freeze up? This is like hard to fight a fish on because there's nowhere to like pin the rod to. This has got shoulders.
I know. Let everything, all jokes aside, this actually isn't.
It's actually a good fish. I like where this drag's located.
Yeah,
it's actually a good feature by Shakespeare on this rod. Thumb controlled drag. My forearm hurts so much.
Oh God.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, that's a big one.
Oh no! It broke. Look at it.
I heard something snap. Something in the system is not working.
Belly on that. Oh my gosh. Samuel! Lightning McQueen!
You know, to tangle with monsters of this caliber, you're really going to want to gear up. You're not going to want to cheap out. So what we did is we invested in these $10 Shakespeare quality 3'8", you know, very heavy action. We got them 30-pound test, good slider rig, but you're not going to want to go in there with cheap stuff. These fish will just beat you up. So quality gear, I can say, is at a premium when it comes to tangling with big cats like this. Let's get a look at this monster.
Absolutely. Oh my gosh. Yeah, give me a looky at her. Oh,
Jesus.
there's a big old girl right there, baby.
Man.
That's what I'm talking about. All right, smile for me if you can. 18 pounds at least.
Yeah.
Oh, she's ready too. She's ready. And she's gone.
Oh. Woo! 3-1, bitch.
Ah.
Due to impending weather threats and just basic bugs being out and we're running out of time factor, we're calling the contest now. If you don't remember from like a minute ago when I said the score was 3-1, that is still the score, and I have won, as has Lightning McQueen in many Series Cup races. So that just goes to show you that the Lightning McQueen rod is guaranteed better than the frozen Shakespeare rod. That was the point of today, wasn't it?
That was the point of today. Also, another point of today was just the fact that you don't need expensive things to go fishing. You can go fishing and just take people fishing with very minimal gear. So just go out, go fishing. It's a lot of fun.